Welcome to the Natural Cures and Tips channel. Here, you will find a world of possibilities to take care of your health and well-being in a natural and conscious way. Our goal is to offer practical tips and solutions for a variety of conditions, from common health problems to natural recipes and homemade personal care products. We believe that nature is a rich source of health benefits and that often the simplest solutions can be the most effective. Therefore, we bring information based on scientific studies, in addition to experiences and popular knowledge that can be useful to improve your quality of life. On our channel you will find informative and didactic videos, with varied content to suit your needs. From recipes for teas and natural remedies to tips on physical exercise, meditation and emotional well-being. So, if you are looking for a natural and effective alternative to take care of your health and well-being, subscribe to our channel and follow our publications. We are here to help you live a healthier and more fulfilling life. Hello, if you suffer from gas, this video is for you. Let's talk about a tea that can help alleviate this discomfort. Star anise is a spice that has been used for many years to aid digestion. It has a very good action in eliminating gas molecules that can cause abdominal discomfort and bloating. And to enhance the effect of starry anise, let's combine it with mint. Mint is known for its soothing properties on the mucosa, which can help reduce gas molecules and also take care of that discomfort we feel. To prepare this tea, you will need a tablespoon of star anise and a tablespoon of fresh mint leaves. Bring the water to a boil and add the spices. Let it steep for about 5 minutes and then strain the tea. This tea can be taken several times a day, especially after meals, when discomfort is most common. In addition, it can also help to calm and relax, making it a great option to consume before bed. Remember, if discomfort persists, it is important to seek medical advice. But this tea can be a natural and effective option for relieving gas symptoms and improving your digestion. So give it a try and feel the benefits. We've reached the end of another video from the Natural Cures and Tips channel. We hope you enjoyed the content and that it was useful for you. We remind you that it is always important to seek medical advice before using any treatment or natural product. And that our tips and solutions do not replace consultation with a healthcare professional. Our goal is always to bring quality information based on scientific studies, in addition to sharing popular knowledge that can be useful for your health and well-being. So, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe now and activate the bell to receive our notifications. Share our videos with your friends and family and help spread the word about natural health. Thank you for your company and see you in the next video.